What's up, good people? It's Larry Jones. Hope you had a blessed and wonderful weekend. It's so good to be back with you. We're going to talk briefly about what's going on in the market, and then we're going to discuss a stock that you guys suggested that I cover. That and more in a few seconds. Hey, for those of you that's new to the page, go ahead and hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. And if you've been with me for a while and you just like to hear me and I've helped you to make any money, please hit the like button. It helps to keep me alive. Then if there's anybody that in the comment section below that says, here's my WhatsApp, here's a phone number, or this is my broker, it's spam, it's not me, don't fall for it, do not engage. I will never contact you that way, guys. Want you guys to stay protected. Then if you really want to get an advantage on trading, then you want to click the link below in the description, and it's a Webull link. I am an influencer. I'm part of their influencer program, rather, and I will get a free stock and you will get 2 free stock by depositing $100. And that 2 free stock is worth up to $1,850 just by you depositing $100. Okay. Got that out of the way. Got it in the way because it's important. I'm actually finna go upstairs and continue. The stock that I'm talking about now is available on Webull. And I may purchase some more. All right. Let's just talk about what happened. Let's say this. I'm gonna say this really quick, but it was hysterical. So I was talking to someone who happened to be in stock. We got into a conversation, and he said it just like this, good people. He said, "Yeah, man, it's just been a bloodbath, and I just been losing so much money, and Sue's ass got that ship." Sue's ass got that ship stuck. I'm sorry, y'all, if I offended y'all. This is the way he said it. I'm just quoting him. Sue's ass got that ship stuck. And I was like, what? I said, wait a minute. You mean the cargo ship that's stuck in the Suez Canal? Yeah. Man, anyway, I had to put that in there. It was hilarious. Let's get to the stock, all right? You guys wanted me to cover IDEX. Ideanomics is what it's called, Ideanomics. And I just put some drops in my eyes, so I'm trying to read this screen. All right, let's look at what Ideanomics do first. A lot of you guys are investing in stock. You don't even know what they do. All right, so I kind of put it down because they're kind of spread abroad into a lot of things, right? They focus on monetizing and adoption of commercial electric vehicles, financial services, and fintech products. Okay, fintech is financial and technical, all right, including group purchasing discounts and battery buyback programs. Okay, it was founded in 2004, so it's an established company, and its headquarters in New York. All right, so they're not new to this; they're true to this. All right. So the price right now, it closed at about, what was it, like 280, and it's just been kind of fluctuating, right? So let me give you the price point at where I see, and you're going to find other people looking at other things differently. All right. So I look at the technicals and I kind of try to look at what's going on. As you can see, they make money different ways. They're also even into blockchain, right? But they make their monies off of charging stations and batteries, right? For the EV market. And we also know that the president will soon be unveiling his infrastructure program, which actually charging stations is going to be a part of it. And so as far as the infrastructure bill, and charging stations and electric vehicles will be affected also. So we have to look at that. Of course, Europe is way ahead of us, and China's #1 with electric vehicles. For those of you that don't know, when I say EVs, I mean electric vehicles. I know there's a lot of new people here and I want to keep you guys up to par. Right. Here's what I'm going to say about Ideanomics. And I know you have a lot of talking heads that do like I do, and they have price predictions everywhere. But this is what I think. So what I do is I look at the technicals, I listen to what the technicals are saying, but then I also do psychology investing also. So technical and psychology. So here's what I feel. No one has a crystal ball. Here's what I feel. If it falls tomorrow and it falls under $2.65, so 265-ish, all right? Then what I want you to do is wait, because it might fall all the way down to 207, right? $2.07 or 210-ish, right? So if it falls and it falls beneath $2.65, then there is a likelihood that it could fall all the way down to $2.07. All right. Technically, I don't think it's going to get back down to 265 because it's been holding through these red days. Has been actually holding pretty good. Ideanomics have, and it's been looking. It should have been falling further, I thought, than what it did, based on everything that was going on in the industry that was falling, from the chip shortage. Remember, EVs it's just like everything all in one bag. If you throw the bag away, everything in the bag is affected. EVs is like that. The battery manufacturers, the charging stations, if something happens, the Tesla, if Tesla has a cold, Neo's gonna burp. All right, Neil's got a headache from the cold. One affects the other, and that's the way it is. And for those of you that don't know, EVs are wrapped up in tech because they're electric vehicles. EVs and tech kind of go together. It falls under both umbrella. Not only is it electric vehicles, but it's also tech also, because there's a lot of technology, AI and technology in electric vehicles. So you that are in EVs and you've been suffering through this bloodbath, like CCIV today, it's because you're in two industries that get hit the hardest when things are going on like they are. Rising interest rates or the threat of. And when banks go up, tech has been going down. That's been the correlation of what's happening. But having said all of that, I want to tell you guys that think that tech is over or it's too late to get in tech. I'm going to tell you it was actually the best time to get in tech, because tech was overvalued. All tech was overvalued. Now, because of what's been happening with the correction, they're finding their base, and the valuations are starting to at least come in the atmosphere of where they should be. They were in another stratosphere, right? It was no rhyme or reason. So now it's actually a better time to buy in to technology than any time, right? And so the payoff, just like the hit was the hardest on tech, the payoff is going to be greater on tech. It's going to have the biggest bounce back over the next 12, 14, 16 months. You'll see that. And so today I'll tell you, I bought some more Neo, I bought some Tesla, and I bought more EVs, which is technology. And we're going to be looking to get back in Charge Point, good people. All right. So that's what I want to tell you guys, that I believe that where it is now, 280s, 280s, and we don't know at the point that I'm making this, I don't know what it's doing after market. But if it holds this base where it is now and it closes at, $3.19 tomorrow, if it holds $3.19 tomorrow, then that's a sign that it's going all the way to 415, right? You're talking about a 48% upswing from 280, where it is now, right? Or close, right? 280-ish, all right? So you're talking about if it closes past $3.19, $3.20, then that's a green light that it's going to run up to $4.15 or $4.16. All right. So that's what I'm seeing. Right. And you're going to see price predictions, but they're about, you're going to see the same thing. So I think it's a good buy. I'm buying it. Remember, I'm not your advisor. I'm Larry. I'm telling you what I'm going to do. I'm not your financial advisor. You must do your own research and consult with your financial advisor, to which I am not. Okay. But I just want to shine a light on this. So many of you guys asked me to cover Ideanomics, IDEX. All right. And I did purchase some today. And I'm going to look at it after hours up until 7 o'clock Chicago time, up until 8 o'clock New York time. Those of you in LA, do the math, because it gets confusing when y'all get over there, or, over there. So, hey, good people, I hope that this helps you. I'm really going to try to start getting back to where I cover one stock at a time like I used to. But it was such a bull market in 2020. I was popping out here's 3 to look at. There was one day I gave you 7 stock last year, and it's just too much. Money is not endless. And I know that, hey, some of you took a bloodbath today. I did. It was more red today, and you can only buy so much, but I buy every week. Every week I do some more buying. And so when I have money coming in, a portion of that is going back into my stocks. Okay, good people, because I know that if I keep buying through this season, that there's a brighter day coming. Kurt Franklin got a song called "There's Gonna Be a Brighter Day." It's called Brighter Day. All right. And so that's what we're looking for. Brighter days. This hard work and this bloodbath for all of you that's been holding on, and just, you look at your portfolios and it's red. That brighter day is coming. And, it's like how diamonds are made. It goes in cold, but man, you keep squeezing it. That's why they call them diamond hands. You holding on to coal right now, but you squeezing it so hard, it's going to be diamond after a while. All right. It's going to be, we all going to be holding diamonds, good people. And I'm never, ever going to come to you with gloom and doom. I know some of y'all was like, I wish he would just say, sell all your stock and run. I'm never going to do that. The stock market is almost 200 years old. It always rebounds. It always does. And then we'll be into another bull market. So I'm going to stay happy. Remember, we did the numbers on worrying. Only 8% of what you worry about ever comes true. 8%, right? That's crazy. 8%. So you got all the rest, 92%. It's a waste if 8% only comes true. If I did my math correct, y'all know I just had surgery. I'm still on drugs. But anyway, just think about that, good people. Don't worry. Be happy. Just like the song says. Hey, I'm going to wrap this up right there. Love you guys. I love each and every one of you. And you too, dude. You that's trying to be hard. You. Hey, bruh. I love you, man. All right, good people. We'll see you next time. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Hello, my name is Larry Jones from Stock Up with Larry Jones, and I want to talk about this wonderful app called Webull. I am a big fan of Webull. Number one, the fact that I could trade hours before the market opens and hours after it closes, that I can have a phone-friendly app and the necessary tools that set me up for success. As a matter of fact, the longer I use Webull, the more savvier investor I become. And I also love the fact that if you're new, you can deposit $100, get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. Hey, this is an app that I could get behind. This is a company that I can get behind. As an influencer for the last couple of months, I can tell you the customer service has been impeccable. I can call a number. I can talk to a real live person that actually knows what they're doing. Okay, for those of you that haven't done it already, click the link below, download the app, deposit $100, and be on your way to more savvier investments. All right. Hey, happy birthday. Happy 5th birthday, Webull.